Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to log Apple account profile in iPhone settings. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to grayed out your Apple ID in iPhone settings. So as you can see right now, I can easily access my Apple ID here. Now to grayed out this Apple ID option, first of all, open your iPhone settings app and scroll down, tap on screen time, and if your screen time off, make sure to enable screen time first, and then tap on content and privacy restrictions, and here enable content and privacy restrictions. And now scroll down. Under allow changes, you will find here account changes. Just tap on that. And now to grayed out your Apple ID, you have to select here don't allow. And now close your settings app and relaunch your settings app. And as you can see, my Apple ID is grayed out. It's not working. So this is how we can easily log Apple account profile in iPhone settings. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.